How to get rid of a sore throat. The discomfort, itching, or irritation of a sore throat is oftentimes bothersome and can even be incredibly painful. When you try to swallow, it may grow worse, and you may have trouble swallowing meals and even liquids. Even if your sore throat isn't severe enough to warrant a trip to the doctor, it's still uncomfortable and can keep you from going about your day. Here are the best home remedies to soothe the pain and irritation of your sore throat. A typical household cure for a sore throat is honey, which may be blended in tea or consumed on its own. Honey has even been found more effective against nighttime coughs than common cough suppressants. It has also been shown to be an efficient wound healer, which implies it may aid in the healing of sore throats. Gargling with warm salt water helps break down secretions and relieve a sore throat. It's also known to help kill bacteria in the throat. Gargle with a saltwater solution made with a half teaspoon of salt in a full glass of warm water. It's best to gargle every 3 hours to minimize swelling and keep your throat clean. Chamomile tea is naturally soothing. Chamomile tea is inherently soothing, and it's been long used for therapeutic purposes, such as treating a sore throat. It may also help your body battle the infection that caused your sore throat in the first place by stimulating your immune system. While gargling with salt water is more frequent, gargling with baking soda combined with salt water can also help soothe a sore throat. Gargling this solution kills germs and stops yeast and fungus from growing. It's recommended to gargle and gently swish a combination of 1 cup warm water, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt every 3 hours as needed. Fenugreek provides several health advantages. You can consume fenugreek seeds, use the oil topically, or drink fenugreek tea, which is a natural sore throat treatment. Fenugreek has the ability to reduce pain as well as eliminate microorganisms that cause irritation or inflammation. A mucus-like material found in marshmallow root covers and soothes a sore throat. To create tea, just combine some dried marshmallow root with a cup of hot water. Sipping the tea 2 or 3 times each day may help relieve throat soreness. Licorice root has been used for ages to treat sore throats. It works well when combined with water to make a gargling solution. Slapery elm contains a mucus-like material that forms a slick gel that coats and soothes the throat when it's mixed with water. Pour boiling water over powdered bark, mix well, and drink. Apple cider vinegar has several natural antimicrobial properties. Its acidic nature allows it to be used to help break down mucus in the throat and prevent bacteria from spreading. If you have a sore throat, dilute 1 to 2 teaspoons apple cider vinegar in 1 cup of water and gargle with it. Then, taking a little drink of the mixture, repeat the process 1 to 2 times each hour. Consume plenty of water in between gargling sessions. Garlic has inherent antimicrobial properties as well. Regularly taking a garlic supplement can help avoid the common cold virus. Including fresh garlic in your diet is another method to get the benefits of its antibacterial characteristics. To relieve a sore throat, try sucking on a clove of garlic. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.